Get the freedom to enjoy the auction process anywhere at any time by downloading our free Alderfer auction app. This video will walk you through the process of locating, downloading, and registering an account on the app. Begin by heading to the Play Store or wherever you download your apps. Enter Alderfer Auction in the search bar. Choose the Alderfer Auction app, then choose Install. It may take a few moments to complete the installation process. This will depend on your device. Choose Open. You are now in the app. However, you will need to register your account in order to begin participating in an actual auction. The auctions are what are listed in front of you with the photos and text. In order to begin, click the icon in the right top corner. Next, click Sign Up. Enter your basic contact information and set your password. Check the box to receive notifications by email. We highly recommend that you opt in for this additional service. Then, click Continue. Read over and agree to our terms and conditions. Check off the box and click Sign Up. Congratulations! You have successfully created your account. Next, pick the auction you are interested in bidding in. Fill out the remaining contact information, and please be sure to fill out all fields. This includes the country. Choose Continue. Review the new set of terms and conditions and check Accept. Then hit Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your credit card information. This is in order to verify that you have the funds available on your credit card to cover a deposit. This amount will not be charged to your card, but will just place a brief hold on your account. You will have to enter your credit card number followed by the 3 digits on the back, then the month and year of the expiration date, and then finally click on the Continue button. Your registration is now complete. You can view the various items available in the auction you have chosen and begin the bidding process. To exit the app, click the 3-line menu in the upper right corner and then click on Sign Out. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave likes and comments in the area below. We love your feedback.